I'm going to show you how to download GTA Vice City on PC or laptop. First, go on the search bar and type up Rockstar Games. Next, go to Rockstar Games, the site. Once you have done that, make sure you go to the search bar, top right, and search up Vice City. Once you've done that, scroll down, you'll see Vice City right here. On that, there's a buy button, and yeah. Okay, here's another way to download GTA Vice City. So, you go on the search bar, top right, and then click GTA Vice City. Okay. Once you've done that, look for Vice City, as you can see. I see it. And type in your date and age. And once you've done that, you add to cart, view, and continue to payment. Once you've done the process, you should have the game by now.